Do you tend to focus on failures and overlook your wins? Remembering past successes can instantly boost your confidence and remind you what you're capable of. One easy way to start is by using ChatGPT to recall your past achievements. I'll save the results in Google Docs so I can refer to them whenever I need a confidence boost. I just type this prompt into ChatGPT. Help me list 5 small wins from my past that prove I'm capable and resourceful. Keep in mind, ChatGPT can't know your actual wins. It will give general examples. The key is to swap in your own real achievements. Maybe it's finishing a tough project, helping a friend, or sticking to a new habit. You can save your final list in Google Docs or Notes and use it to remind yourself of your capabilities anytime. This is a helpful step, but lasting confidence comes from internalizing these successes and turning them into action. That's what the Confidence Challenge teaches. It guides you to reframe your past into a source of power that fuels your future confidence. Plus, you also get online marketing funnel templates and email and ad scripts so your newfound confidence can translate into real world results. It's less than $10 to start, beginner friendly, and you can begin today. Click the link below to join the Confidence Challenge and start using your past successes to build unstoppable confidence.